One of Biafra Liberation Army under Biafra government in exile don come outside come tell the people under the US say that ESN is no longer existing. My people, what do you think about this? Abeg, drop your own opinion in comment section. I'm going to play you the video when they talk this thing so that you go use your own ear hear am. After the video, you go drop your own opinion. We'll come back and talk one or two things. Just watch the video. Welcome back to Balabas Gist. If today is the first time where they come across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. Please share this video and drop your own opinion in the comment section. You know how it be now.
I'm come this very afternoon to relate to you. Be warned and be cautious of those who tell you that they are still doing any recruitment of ESM. ESM are no longer existing. It is ESM that Ndiara and Ndoshi, known as DOS, were used and are still using it to deceive the innocent youth of Biafrans. I want you to know that the errands of ESN are far gone, as the voice you hear was stated very clearly that when time comes for Army of Biafra, you will be let known. And that was exactly what the great Prime Minister Simon Ekpa does. He formed the Army of Biafra to withstand these deadly terrorists that have keep on trooping into the land of Biafra to kill the children of Biafra. Knowing fully well that ESM was not created to withstand the army, ESM was abolished, and Biafran soldier, Biafran Air Force, and Biafran Navy was formed because it was necessary, and it is necessary to defend our motherland. And that is the reason I'm here to tell you that anybody that is telling you that ESM exists is lying to you. And anybody that is telling you to join ESM recruitment in anywhere, know quite well that it's working with the zoo and your life is involved. Having given you this vital information, if you mistakenly hand over your life to the hands of our enemy, you are on your own. Your blood will be required in your hand. That is very, very important for you to know. Take the message to your brother. For those of you who are interested in joining Nigeria Army, Nigeria Forces, and you know fully well that you are a Biafran or you are from any part of Biafra, I give you congratulations because you are just signing your death warrant. If you come to fight us, you must die. There's no two ways about that. Lastly, this message goes directly to our enemies. Those of you who happen to carry your dead body today, let me shock you. Shey, when you were coming, those people you carry as dead body, shey them follow use their two legs, carry gun, come to the land of Biafra to kill, right? But today, you carry them as dead body, no life, lifeless. So, you jack them, pack them, put inside vehicle, and drove them. They no get life again, oh, but now you carry them. Then come with you as a living being, go with you as a dead being. That is the same fate all of you have. You can never go in front. You can never go back in front. You always, as you come front, you use your back, they go. It's a promise the land of Biafra promise you all. All of you, you will be going down one after the other. And you think we are joking. As you carry them go, the next time another person go carry your own dead body, they go. Another time, the next person go carry the person where carry your dead body go carry go. So the land of Biafra will keep sucking your blood. Then, until you understand that it's not the way you think. This is the land of our ancestors. The land whom Chukwu Okike Abiama gave to our great-grandfather, that gave to our grandfather, that gave to our father, that hand over to us. Believe you me, we must hand over this land to our children and our children unborn without your presence. And when we say we need Biafra, we make it clear, loud and clear, that we need nothing but Biafra. So to you, I'm telling you that it is either Biafra or Biafra. No man, no woman, no mortal body can stop it. Not even immortal can stop it. If you like, you believe. If you don't like, you live. But I am telling you that this war, after the end of this war, Biafra will be shouted, and Biafra will be heard all over the world. You can't stop us. We are unstoppable. Unstoppable, we are. You can't stop us. The more you come, the more you will die. I've told you that time with that number. It doesn't really matter how many you come. If you like, come in 1,000, you will fall in 1,000. Come in million, you will fall in million. Let me give you a example. You see red ant, this soldier ant, when they are full, when they come as many as they are, you just cook hot water, pour them. All of them will die at the spot. That's the same way you will die. It doesn't really matter how many you come. But the ground of Biafra is always ready and is big enough to swallow all of you. Yes, I repeat. No matter how many you come with, this land of Biafra will swallow all of you. For he that come with weapon must die with weapon. That thing where you cook, you must test them. So that as you put poison to kill us, now you go first die. So the message I have for you is, as you don't carry your dead body, they go. Remember that those people you carry as dead body, they go. They were alive while you were coming. But now, you carry them as dead body, they go. So that tomorrow, you will be your turn. Another person will also carry your dead body, they go. So also another person will carry the person that carry your dead body, they go, until you realize that this land of the Biafra, the children of Biafra go nowhere. This is the land of our ancestors. And Biafra, I say Biafra must come and must remain. You can't cancel that. You can't kill us. If you like, you believe. If you don't like, come and try your own power. At the end, you will know that power pass power. Juju pass juju. You don't know that? Juju pass juju. Power pass power. You come with your native doctor, where are they? You come with your power, where is your power? As long as we are the indigene of this land, this child, the son of the soil, can never be killed. You understand that? You understand that? I don't expect you to know. But ha ha ha, ha ha ha, ho ho ho. If you know, you know. If you don't know, you don't know. So therefore, as you carry your member dead body, they go. Tomorrow, your member go carry your dead body, they go. Because you can't survive in this land of the spirit. You must join the spirit. That is my message for you as our enemy. Mark it. I say in this land of the spirit, if you don't know, you have come to the land of the ghost. You have come to the land of the ghost. And I'm telling you now that in this land of the ghost, you can never go back alive. You must remain in the land of the ghost. Now you understand. That is what I mean. Ha ha ha, ha ha ha, ha ha ha. If you know, you know. I do not have time to waste because we do not have time to capping. No time for that. If you don't understand, ask your next person, what does this man mean? But you will die because you come with death, and death you will go with. You know, so shall it be in Eke, in Ori, in Afo, and Unquo, in the water and the land, now and forevermore.
Okay, my wonderful people, welcome back. As I've watched that video, please share this video and drop your own opinion for inside comment section. Thank you.